Hello everyone, welcome back to this video on digital communication. In this video, we are going to discuss the power spectral density or the PSD of Manchester line encoding. So if you remember what is Manchester line encoding, then finding out its PSD would be really easy. So for your reference, I am telling you what is Manchester line encoding. So in Manchester line encoding, 1 is represented for half bit duration, it is 1, and for next half bit duration, it is -1 or -a and +a. So it is +a, this is -a. So this is my Manchester encoding for 1. So now if I shift this, so this bit duration is TB. So now I can shift it also. So this is, if this is my origin, I can make it like this. So this is my Manchester line encoding now. So now its value, I am taking the specific value to be ±1. So now if I need to find out the power spectral density using the Wiener-Khinchin relationship, so the Wiener-Khinchin relationship was power spectral density is equal to 1 upon TB, where TB is the bit period, multiplied by SF square, where SF is the Fourier transform of signal ST, multiplied by summation n is equal to -∞ to infinity r tau n e raised to power minus j 2 pi ft, which is the Fourier transform of r tau n, where r tau n is the autocorrelation function. So now I need to find out this r tau n and this ST, Fourier transform of ST. So now this signal is behaving like a polar signal. If I see in the bit duration TB by 2, so if I see in the TB by 2 bit duration, here it is behaving as a polar signal. So let's remember the autocorrelation function r tau n, that is autocorrelation function for polar signaling. So for polar signaling, if you remember, for r tau 0, how I can find out r tau 0? It is E of AK into AK minus 0, which is E of AK into AK, which is E of AK square. So now if I have to overlap it with itself only, so I can have two possible values, either -a is overlapped with -a or +a is overlapped with +a. So here I'll get a square, here I'll get again -a, and -a multiplied get a square, a multiplied with a get a square. So probability of both of them is 1 by 2. So total I am get a square by 2 plus a square by 2. So which is the E? How I can find out E? Multiplying with probability. So this was P of I with the AK square value. So AK square value here, this is AK square, this is AK, this is next AK. So EAK, probability multiply this plus probability multiply this, which is A square. So now when I take, this was for n is equal to 0. So now in the next case what I can do, I can take n not equal to 0. So that time I can have 4 possibility of AK and AK minus n. So here I'll be having shifted portion of n. So here I can have 4 possibilities like -a combined with -a combined with +a combined with -a, and +a combined with +a. So AK into AK minus n would be a square minus a square minus a square a square. So if I talk about the probability of all of them are equally probable. So I am taking the probability of all of them to be 1 by 4. So again, how I can find out the expectation? I can multiply AK minus n with their probabilities, corresponding probability, and I can add all of the values. So it would be a square by 4 minus a square by 4 minus a square by 4 plus a square by 4, which is 0. So now I can find out that r tau of n is equal to a square when n is equal to 0, and it is 0 when n is not equal to 0. So now I found out r tau of n. So the next task is to find out SF. So SF is the Fourier transform of ST. So it is minus infinity to infinity ST e raised to power minus j 2 pi ft dt. So how I can represent my signal ST? So it is from minus TB by 2. So this point is minus TB by 2 and this point is TB by 2. So minus TB by 2 to 0, its value is 1 e raised to power minus j 2 pi ft dt plus 0 to TB by 2. So here its value is minus 1 e raised to power j 2 pi ft dt. So now I just have to integrate these values. So integration would be minus e raised to power j 2 pi ft upon j 2 pi f, and the limits are from minus TB by 2 to 0 plus, here also it is minus, so minus e raised to power j 2 pi ft upon j 2 pi f, and here the limits are 0 to TB by 2. So now I just need to put the limits. So now this came out to be 1 minus e raised to power j 2 pi f TB. So when I put minus TB by 2 as the limit, so e raised to power minus j 2 pi f t would convert into e raised to power plus j 2 pi f TB by 2. So this 2 and this 2 would get cancelled out. Similarly here I'll get e raised to power minus j 2 pi f TB by 2. So again this 2 and this 2 would cancel out, and when I put t as 0 I'll get 1. So this one and this one I got like that. So now what can I do? I can add these two and I can write e raised, I can take minus common, I can write it as e raised to power j pi f TB plus e raised to power minus j pi f TB upon j 2 pi f. So now I know the formula of cos theta. Cos theta is equal to e raised to power j theta plus e raised to power minus j theta upon 2. So e raised to power j theta plus e raised to power minus j theta, where theta is pi fb, would be equal to 2 cos theta. So I can replace it. So it is equal to 2 minus 2 cos pi fb pi f tb upon j 2 pi f. Again I know, again I can take 2 common. So 2 1 minus cos pi fb ftb upon j 2 pi f. So now I know the formula of 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. So now 2 theta is equal to pi f TB. So which implies theta would be pi f TB upon 2. So now I can replace these values. So it is equal to 2 sin square theta would be pi f TB upon 2 upon j 2 pi f. So now I can write it as 2 into sin, so j I can take upside, so it would be minus j here. So 2 sin pi f TB by 2 into sin pi f TB by 2 upon 2 pi f. So now this 2 and this 2 would get cancelled out. So now I need to multiply it with TB. So here also I'll multiply with TB. Here I have to divide by 2. Here I'll divide by 2. So now why I did so? So to make it in the form minus j sin pi f tb by 2 upon pi f tb by 2. So it would be sinc f tb by 2 into sin pi f tb by 2 into tb by 2. So now here I know what is my SF. So now I need to put this SF and this R tau n in the Wiener-Khinchin theorem. So power spectral density would be equal to 1 upon TB into minus J square would be, I know minus J square is equal to 1. So when I put S square F, so minus J square would be 1. So I am ignoring this. Sinc square F TB by 2 sin pi F TB by 2 into TB square into A square. So R tau n is defined only at n is equal to 0. For n is equal to 0, this term would be 1. So now it is A square. So now I can write it as this TB and this would cancel out. So I'll get sinc square F TB by 2 into sin pi F TB by 2 into A square into TB. So this is my power spectral density. I hope you understood how I calculated during this derivation. If you have still any doubt, you can put your doubt in the comment and I'll try to resolve it as soon as possible. I hope you like this video. If you like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and push the like button. Thank you.